Hey guys, how are y'all today? This is me and I'm back. Guys, if y'all haven't been past my channel before, I am Pumpkin. I do ASMR and mukbang. And I just be sitting here talking to y'all, chilling, having a good old time and giving y'all the latest gossip and whatever's on my mind. So hopefully you enjoy my channel and you come back to see me. Yay! Subscribe and hit the button, whatever. Okay. So today, y'all, what we have to eat is, look guys, black spaghetti. Okay? It's authentic Italian spaghetti, guys. Okay? And remember, I told y'all that I was going to be bringing y'all the packaging of the things that I eat because this is a vegan channel, vegetarian. I'm really not vegan because I do eat cheese and I love eggs, but I don't eat them that much. And I don't drink any milk or anything like that. I get the almond milk. So this is the packaging right there, guys, for the black spaghetti. And we have sausages here, guys. You see those? I mean meatballs, excuse me. Meatballs, delicious meatballs. This is all homemade. And this is the package for the meatballs, okay? The Guardian meatless meatballs. These are so good, y'all. Let me tell you. And I also made the sauce and everything with the garlic and the seasonings with Beyond Meat crumbles right there, so it can feel like a ground beef taste. And I mixed them, okay? So it was this Beyond Meat, the Fiesta, the Fiesta crumbles, and then I also used this one here, which is the Beyond just the beefy, okay? So these two packages, boom, 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 purple and brown, and the meatballs. So we're going to dig right in. And then I threw some like little green onions on the top. I'm not a big saucy type person, y'all. So this is not going to be a big saucy type of meal. First bite, guys. So. Also made some buns. And they rose real good too, y'all. Look, child. I was like, go pumpkin. And anybody that follows me on Instagram or Snapchat that follows me here on YouTube knows that Sundays are my sauce days, okay? So today, I kind of made like a honeyish, mustardy-ish, all type of seasoning type of sauce because I like to put the meatballs in them like that. I love that. And I get my sauces together on Sunday because I take food to work every day. And I got this one. I made this kind of up out of mayonnaise and all sorts of stuff, and I blended it up. Garlic seasoning. And I'm going to just call this the secret sauce. So I'm going to just go ahead and put these right here. These little things, guys, are so good. I love these, especially if you're a dipper like myself. They be right on your plate, child. They sell them at Walmart, honey. $6.97, and it comes with 4 in them, I think. Here's the meatball, guys. I'm like so hungry. Got my cucumbers, y'all already know. Any type of cucumbers. And now, guys, this whole meal here actually is all vegan. It's no dairy, no anything in it. And it's gluten-free. These are gluten-free. These are so good, too. I mean, Try some of the secret sauce. Y'all know what? Oh yeah, my Wi-Fi has been out for the last 2 days. And I already had 2 videos made for y'all to upload. Talking about cocoa. And I knew that her match last night was going to be real hard with Osaka. I already knew that. And she had just won the night before. Then she did her doubles. So, I don't know what's going to happen with her. But I'm so sorry, Coco. She was doing so good. She only 15 years old, y'all. She's an African-American tennis player. And she's been coming up along the ranks for the last maybe 2 years or a year or so. A little more than that. And she got taken out last night. So, that's kind of sad. I was like, oh my God. All right. Have y'all had a chance to catch up on Love and Hip Hop New York? Oh my God. No, I mean Growing Up Hip Hop New York. They didn't put JoJo back on the show. It's like, JoJo. Like he literally is on every show like that. You know, every reality show. That young man is getting a bag. His father taught him well. But it's like, what y'all trying to be, the Black Kardashians or something? Because you're everywhere. Good golly. Angela everywhere. Vanessa everywhere. You everywhere. Now your baby mama everywhere too. Your fiance, excuse me. And I'm like, good golly. Simmons family is balling. They know what to do. They know exactly what to do, y'all. Y'all know I gotta have my sriracha. Well, oh well, I mean, can y'all believe old dirty bat? Y'all know I gotta have the sriracha, right? You know it. Come on, baby. You already know. They got the nerve to have Irv Dirty Bastard's son up on Growing Up Hip Hop New York. Oh my God, his hair look just like his daddy. He bring back a lot of memories. Cause I'm a native New Yorker, and we all know Old Bear. I mean, come on. I mean, y'all remember that story that he went to he still kept getting food stamps and welfare. But him and his, I think, 2,000 kids? Yeah. And they took a limo to the place to go pick up the food stamp. Now, if anybody know anything about New York and that back in the day in Philly, all the way over there on the East Coast and everything, when you got a welfare check, you went into a check cashing place. And you had to pick up your stuff from in there. He sure enough took him, his whole family, his wife, and everybody while having like a platinum record out, and went and still picked up his food stamps for him and his 2,000 kids, child. He was not no joke, y'all. Everybody loved him. And then he did that little collab with Mariah Carey. Look, y'all. I just have water here with some lime in it. I'm starting not to like water with lemon in it anymore. It has to have water with lemon and lime, or just water and lime, because the lemon, I don't know. My taste buds be changing, y'all. I'm telling you. For real. Be good trick. Thirsty. But I'm more hungry. Look at that, y'all. I made that. I did that. I did that. Y'all, I'm thinking about making a Chick-fil-A fake chicken Chick-fil-A sandwich, and then a seitan like fake chicken Popeye sandwich, and see how that turns out, because I seen somebody do it on YouTube. I wrote the recipe down too. So there, honey, you know it. And I got a pasta maker, so I don't know why I just said that, but I'm thinking about making a fresh pizza too, with like pesto sauce and everything for my little alter ego Trinity to eat on Instagram. Oh, yeah. If you're not following me, I have a page on Instagram. It's called ASMR Chop It Up. Come over there and see me too. I'll be posting every day. Every day. No, I had to put that sriracha on there. Try some of this honey mustard type of tangy, whatever it's called. I just be putting sauces together sometimes, y'all. Y'all know what I be worried about? I'm thinking about those people that have the hurricane coming towards them, tornado. Massive storm, whatever. Danger. Danger is upon them. So, we just want to, pray for them, and, that everybody is safe down there. Because you never know what could happen. It could be us tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We need to thank God every day that we okay and we in safe neighborhoods or wherever we at, that we're alive. I have that cucumber. Y'all see these cucumbers. Y'all know I don't eat nothing without cucumbers. But you just really have to thank God for every day. Because life is short, child, and tomorrow, really is not guaranteed at all. Sad but true.